In this video, I'll show you how to remove the beep sound that comes out of your Brother MFC printer. In case every time you go through the menu and it beeps at you every time you touch these buttons, it can get very annoying. So let me show you how to get rid of this. So first of all, press this red button simply to go on the main menu. Then press the menu button over here. Once you're here, press OK to select General Setup. Go down using the down arrow. Once you see volume on your display, press OK. Then press the down arrow again. Select beep, press OK. And right now it's at low, but if you press the down arrow, you can turn this completely off. You can also select high if you really like having some beeps around you. So it's up to you. I prefer choosing off. Then press OK. Accepted. Press the red button and you'll be back on the main menu and you'll be able to use your printer without being annoyed by this sound. So thanks for watching. It's a quick trick. Leave a like if it worked for you. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.